Hey there, hustlers and empire builders. Welcome back to Kingdom Cash, where we turn your wildest dreams into cold, hard cash. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's gonna blow your mind and fatten your wallet. Forget what society's been telling you about needing a fancy degree to make it big. I'm about to show you 10 high-paying jobs that don't require a single college credit, but can still make you filthy rich. Are you ready to unlock your potential and join the ranks of the self-made millionaires? Let's get started. 1. Drone Racing League Organizer. Potential profit, $200,000 to $1 million or more per year. Forget traditional sports, drone racing is the future, and you could be at the forefront of this booming industry. As a Drone Racing League organizer, you'll create heart-pounding spectacles that combine cutting-edge technology with adrenaline-fueled competition. Start small with local events, then scale up to national and even international leagues. With sponsorships, ticket sales, and broadcasting rights, the sky's the limit for your earning potential. Plus, you'll be the coolest person at any party when you tell them what you do for a living. 2. Social Media Arbitrage Specialist. Potential profit, $100,000 to $500,000 or more per year. Listen up, because this is where the real money's at. As a social media arbitrage specialist, you'll be the puppet master of the digital world. Your job? Identify trending content on one platform and strategically repost it on others for maximum engagement and profit. It's like being a content DJ, mixing and matching viral hits across the internet. Here's the kicker. You don't need to create a single piece of original content. Just use your keen eye to spot what's hot, repackage it for different audiences, and watch the cash roll in. With the right strategy, you could be pulling in six figures within your first year. 3. Cryptocurrency Arbitrage Trader. Potential profit, $50,000 to $2 million or more per year. If you've got nerves of steel and lightning-fast reflexes, cryptocurrency arbitrage trading could be your ticket to financial freedom. This high-stakes job involves buying crypto on one exchange and instantly selling it on another for a profit, capitalizing on price discrepancies. The best part? You don't need a finance degree or a Wall Street background. All you need is a solid understanding of the crypto market, some starting capital, and the ability to make split-second decisions. With the right strategy and a bit of luck, you could be making millions in no time. 4. Virtual Reality Experience Designer. Potential profit, $80,000 to $300,000 or more per year. Step into the future and become a virtual reality experience designer. In this cutting-edge role, you'll create immersive digital worlds that transport users to places they've only dreamed of. From virtual tourism to interactive training simulations, the possibilities are endless. The best part? You don't need a computer science degree to break into this field. With some self-taught coding skills and a creative mind, you can start building mind-bending VR experiences that companies will pay top dollar for. As the VR industry explodes, your skills will only become more valuable. 5. Micro Real Estate Tycoon. Potential profit, $100,000 to $1 million or more per year. Forget about traditional real estate, that's so last century. As a micro real estate tycoon, you'll focus on buying and renting out small, unique spaces that most investors overlook. Think storage units, parking spots, and even billboards. The beauty of this business is that it requires minimal upfront investment compared to traditional real estate, but can still generate massive passive income. With the right locations and marketing strategy, you could build a micro empire that brings in 7 figures annually. 6. Ethical Hacking Consultant. Potential profit, $90,000 to $500,000 or more per year. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. As an ethical hacking consultant, you'll be the superhero that companies call when they need to test their defenses. Your job? Try to break into their systems and expose vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. The best part? Many top ethical hackers are self-taught. With dedication and the right certifications, you can break into this high-paying field without a traditional degree. As cyber threats continue to evolve, your skills will only become more valuable, potentially earning you a fortune. 7. Niche Subscription Box Curator. Potential profit, $50,000 to $2 million or more per year. Tap into the booming subscription box market by becoming a niche subscription box curator. The key is to find an underserved, passionate community and create a box that speaks directly to their interests. Whether it's rare hot sauces, vintage comic books, or eco-friendly beauty products, there's a niche for everything. Start small, build a loyal customer base, and watch your empire grow. With the right marketing and product selection, you could be shipping thousands of boxes each month, each one filled with curated items and cold, hard profit. Before I forget, smash that like button and subscribe so you can take advantage of our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. 8. Personal brand ghostwriter. Potential profit: $70,000 to $500,000 or more per year. In the age of influencers and thought leaders, everyone wants to be a personal brand. But not everyone has the time or skill to create compelling content. That's where you come in as a personal brand ghostwriter. Your job? Craft engaging posts, articles, and even books in the voice of your high-profile clients. The beauty of this gig is that you don't need a journalism degree, just a knack for capturing someone's unique voice and turning their ideas into captivating content. As you build your reputation, you could find yourself writing for CEOs, celebrities, and industry titans, commanding top dollar for your wordsmithing skills. 9. Vertical farming consultant. Potential profit: $80,000 to $300,000 or more per year. As the world population grows and arable land shrinks, vertical farming is becoming the future of agriculture. As a vertical farming consultant, you'll help businesses and governments set up efficient, high-yield indoor farming operations. From choosing the right crops to designing optimal growing systems, you'll be at the forefront of a revolution in food production. The best part? This field is so new that there's no established educational path. With some self-study and hands-on experience, you can position yourself as an expert in this booming industry. As demand for sustainable food solutions grows, so will your bank account. 10. Autonomous vehicle fleet manager. Potential profit: $100,000 to $500,000 or more per year. Get ready to ride the wave of the future as an autonomous vehicle fleet manager. As self-driving cars become more prevalent, someone needs to oversee and optimize these high-tech fleets. Your job will involve everything from route planning and maintenance scheduling to data analysis and performance optimization. While traditional fleet managers might need years of experience, the autonomous vehicle industry is so new that you can get in on the ground floor without a specialized degree. As more companies adopt self-driving technology, your expertise will become invaluable, potentially earning you a fortune. There you have it, folks. 10 high-paying jobs that don't require a degree but can still make you filthy rich. Remember, the key to success in any of these fields is passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The world is changing faster than ever, and those who can spot opportunities and move quickly are the ones who will come out on top. But here's the real secret sauce. Don't just pick one of these jobs. The truly successful entrepreneurs find ways to combine multiple streams of income. Maybe you start as a social media arbitrage specialist, use your profits to invest in micro real estate, and then launch a niche subscription box business on the side. The possibilities are endless. And remember, building an empire isn't just about making money, it's about making a difference. Use your success to create opportunities for others, give back to your community, and leave the world a little better than you found it. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.